Imagine you're working in a very complex industry, for example, in aviation, just like Airbus, and you need to identify its latest technologies and trends. And secondly, deep dive into them, explore its players and contexts or future growth, all in a few clicks. For sure, we could use the MAPEGY library and filter for trends related to this industry, our industry, in this case, transport, and start exploring and using the MAPEGY library. In this very case, we started off with a simple search on aviation. Added air cargo, air freight, aerospace, and aviation, for example. Yes. And we directly jumped into the analysis of trends in emerging technologies here in this very panel. And for sure, there are many trends or emerging technologies that the aviation industry or Airbus is confronted with, as you can see here. Super alloys, big data, 3D printing for sure as well. But one is very interesting, very special. This is the case of thermoplastics. Let's do a deep dive on thermoplastics. So who are the companies doing research and development in this very field? And Mitsubishi Chemicals, for example, anyway, and as well. We had a look at related forecasts, for example, for 2050. And specifically on publicly available market reports and related current market cap of different industry sectors and technologies, or the compound annual growth rate. Looking at the technology landscape using the topic map, with all the different materials clustered fairly well, or the visual explorer here, we quickly found out that it is important to elaborate on the search a bit more, to be more comprehensive. We ended up with a more complex search. Let's have a look here. Using more specific material and keywords, and also connecting them with aviation, and build up a more elaborated report using this very use case. And for sure, at the end, this was part of a bigger systematic approach. As you can see here, we built a whole portfolio of technology projects, customer-related use cases, competitors, suppliers, universities, and these technology scouts and trends that were very relevant for the aviation industry, and in this case, Airbus.